Philippine President-elect Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos said Wednesday the centuries-old friendship between China and the Philippines will continue to bring great mutual benefits to the people of the two countries.
The centuries-old relationship and friendship of the Philippines and China has been and will continue to be of great mutual benefit to our people. From trade, arts, culture, athletics, to regional peace and stability, to the employment of opportunities for our people, and all the significantly generous efforts extended to us during the pandemic, the cooperative partnership of our two nations continued to reach new heights. I join you in this celebration as we look forward to more years, not only of diplomatic relations, but of continuous fruitful engagements between China and the Philippines as we continue to enjoy the friendship that we have developed over the years.
On June 9, the Philippines and China will celebrate the 21st Filipino-Chinese Friendship Day. The Philippines and China established diplomatic relations on June 9, 1975.